Our next step is to set up our safety settings. These safety settings will help you to avoid a lot of issues during the flight. So few safety setups, we'll check how to do it and what is the purpose of it. Now we go to the safety tab in your QGroundControl station. First is ground station failsafe. Right now it is disabled because our ground station and our drone is connected via wired connection. When you have a wireless connection, you enable that and you set up a safety action just by clicking this drop down box. And then you have throttle failsafe. This throttle failsafe basically helps you to set up a failsafe option when your drone loses the signal connection between your remote control and the receiver. Once the connection is interrupted, your drone will take the necessary failsafe action. What is the necessary failsafe option? Which you can assign by clicking this drop down button. And then you have your geofence. Geofence is basically setting up an invisible fence around your drone. You say that this is the area in which my drone should fly. The flight controller along with the GPS won't allow your drone to move past this particular fence. All the configuration can be changed here. And then at the end, you have return to launch. So return to launch is a safety feature where once the remote connection is cut off, the drone will come back to the launch position. When your drone is flying back to the launch position, sometimes there will be a lot of obstacles on the way. So it shouldn't be directly coming back to the launch position. It should climb to a height and then return back. So you can configure all those details inside this return to launch setup. So in order to understand in depth about this failsafe setup for this autopilot firmware, you can visit autopilot documentation page or contact us in order to get assistance in this particular section. Thank you.